welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching PJ Apple Tech YouTube channel. Friends, today I will show you how to unlock that is iPhone 6 and 5s that is belongs to iOS 12 and below versions. See, this is the iPhone 6 and I will show you how to unlock this iPhone. Before starting the video, friends, those who are watching my channel for the first time, please do like, and if you do not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe immediately and click on the bell icon to get notified, and do encourage us to do more videos like this. Friends, I will show you this is the device is locked or not by inserting the SIM card. See, this is the phone. After inserting the SIM card, it is asking to activate the device, so I'm trying to activate this device. See, this is showing SIM not supported. That means this is the device is locked to other country network. So I will show you how to unlock the device. See, this is showing SIM not supported again. So friends, for unlocking the ICC-ID method, we need latest and updated iOS. But this is the device is stuck at 12.5.5 only. So we have to do we have to install the fake iOS. So for that we have to jailbreak the device. I will show you how to jailbreak this device. For this we have to open the Chakran tool and we have to connect this device to the PC. Next, click on start button. Next, click on next button. After that, it is automatically entering into the recovery mode. In this case, you have to press start button and click on power and home key at the same time. After 4 seconds you need to release the power key, but keep holding on home button. After that, after 6 to 7 seconds, release the home key and it will be automatically device can be jailbroken. After jailbreaking the device, I will show you how to upgrade the device to iOS 15. In this video I will show you two methods. One is by tweak method, another one is by using tool. See here, after completed the jailbreak, we need to install the CDR. After installing the CDR, open the CDR. After opening this CDR, click on sources. Next, choose edit option. After that, add, enter the link that is provided on this video, pk3m.github.io. After entering this link, click on add source button. After this tweak installation completed, it will take some time to install the tweak. After that, return to CDR, and here you can see PK3M support. Click on that and then click on all packages. So after by pressing this device can be installed iOS 15 automatically. That means that is not real OS. See here, this is the tool secondary option. This is the tool will help you to install the fake iOS. See here, after connecting the device, it is showing the IMEI and serial number. After that, click on the new fake iOS option. The tool can install the fake iOS on the device. See here, that is showing one dialog box. See here, in this device I will show you the version of this device. See, this is the software version iOS 15 is there, and this is the device iPhone 6, and check the serial number. The tool can show you original iOS, but in this device it will show you fake iOS version. This process we need to unlock the carrier locked iPhone 6 or 5s, that is belongs to iOS 12 and below versions. After this I will show you how to unlock this device. See here, the device was successfully installed fake iOS. After this we need to insert the R SIM along with the AT&T SIM card to activate this device. See, this is the R SIM I am using at present. After inserting this R SIM, after that you can in, insert the AT&T SIM card along with the R SIM. Now insert this SIM tray into the device. After inserting the SIM card, it will ask you to activation required. At this moment, we have to enter into the ICC ID menu option by dialing star button. See here, after click on edit ICC ID and enter the latest ICC ID code that is available on the day. Now after that, choose fourth option 3G or 4G ICC ID mode. Now after that, click on to continue. The device will be activated in fraction of seconds. See here, this device was activated successfully. Now see see here, this is iPhone 6 and iOS version 15, and check the IMEI number and serial number if you have any doubt. This is not fake video. I'm not here to show you fake videos. Everything is genuine. After that, remove the R SIM and AT&T SIM card. After removing the SIM card, you can insert the carrier SIM directly, which is you want to use. See, I'm inserting the AT&T. Sorry, I'm inserting my local carrier SIM without R SIM. Here you see only SIM card only I'm inserted. See here, the device was not asking you again activation mode. This device getting signals directly without activation. See here, I was inserted my Airtel SIM card and it is getting signals, that is good. See here, still fake iOS is there. After activation the device, you need to remove the fake iOS by unjailbreaking. See here, I'm showing you calling option, that is also working good. So this is the procedure you have to apply on iOS 12 and iPhone 6 or iPhone 5s models. So friends, I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please do like, and if you do not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe immediately, and please do encourage us to do more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care friends. We'll meet you on next video.
Nightmares creep while you